ang
Alright, okay, shout out to everyone. Magandang hapon. Alright, okay, let's do another country music entitled Coward of the Country. Ito naman sa isa sa mga favorite ko rin mga artist, si Kenny Rogers. Alright. Alright, Coward of the Country by Kenny Rogers. Shout out to everyone. Everyone consider him the coward of the country. Never stood a single time to prove the country wrong. His mama named him Tommy, but the folks just called him Yellow. Something always told me they were reading Tommy wrong. He was only 10 years old when his daddy died in prison. I looked after Tommy 'cause he was my brother's son. Still recall the final words my brother said to Tommy. Son, my life is over, but yours just begun. And promise me, son, not to do the things I've done, or walk away from troubles if you can. Now it won't mean you weak if you turn the other cheek. I'll hold you old enough to understand. Son, you don't have to fight to be a man. There's someone for everyone, and Thomas loves Becky. In their arms they didn't have to prove he was a man. One day while he was working, the gambling boys came calling. They took a turn at Becky, and there was 3 of them. Tommy opened up the door and saw his Becky crying. The torn dress, the shattered look, he was more than he could stand. He reached above the fireplace and took down Daddy's picture, and his tears fell on Daddy's face. I heard his words again. Promise me, son, not to do the things I've done. Walk away from trouble if you can. Now it won't mean you weak if you turn the other cheek. I hope you old enough to understand. Son, you don't have to fight to be a man. The gambling boy just laughed at him when he walked into the ballroom. One of them get up and met him halfway across the floor. When Tommy turned around, they say, yeah, look, old Yellow's leaving. But you could have heard been dropped when Tommy stopped, locked the door. But 20 years of crawling was bottled up inside him. He wasn't holding nothing back, he let them have it all. When Tommy left the barroom, that gambling boy was standing. He said, this one for Becky, as he watched the last one fall. And promise you, Dad, not to do the things you've done. I walk away from troubles when I can. Now please don't think I'm weak, I didn't turn the other cheek. And Papa should hope you'll understand. Sometimes you gotta fight when you're a man. And everyone consider him the coward of the country. Alright, that's another classic country music for you by Kenny Rogers, Coward of the Country. Alright.